Welcome to Chapter 14, Lesson 7. Solve problems with angles. Okay, so this is solving math problems or word problems that have angles in it. An angle can be decomposed. Remember, that means broken down or broken into non-overlapping parts. The angle measure of the whole is the sum of the angle measures of the parts. So basically what it means, this is the bigger angle, okay? So we'll say this B for big angle equals, okay, and say we cut it with another little angle. This is little angle and medium angle. So it's basically saying that B, angle B, equals the medium angle plus the little angle. Okay? So let's see it in action. Rachel and Dean made a sign out of fabric, like the one shown to hang in the school gymnasium. The blue pieces has a 35-degree angle. Okay, so 35. And the red piece is attached to the longest side of the blue piece. What does that mean? Well, this is the longest side, so it's attached here. Okay. Together, the pieces form a right angle, which we know is 90 degrees. What is the angle shown on the red piece? So what it's saying up here is the angle measure of the whole, so this is the whole angle, is the sum means add, of the angle measures of the parts. So this angle part and this angle part are going to equal the big one. And since we know the big one's 90, we know that 90 plus 90 equals question mark plus 35, this one. Draw a 90-degree angle. Mark off a 35-degree angle. Measure the other angle. I mean, we could use a protractor for this, but I really think it's silly because we know subtraction. 35 plus something equals 90. So I'll just do 90 minus 35. Hmm. 55. Let's see. Does 55 plus 35 equal 90? It does. So the other angle has a measure of 55 degrees. Remember, we need that little circle to be degrees. Another way is use an equation. Okay, but we already did that a little bit. The 90-degree angle measure is the sum of two parts. One angle is 35. Find the unknown angle. Let R represent the unknown. 35 plus R equals 90. Or we did question mark. So 35 plus R equals 90. You know that 90 minus 35 equals R. 90 minus 35 is 55. So the angle shown is 55 degrees. So you could use this protractor and we could have lined it up and found, okay, we could have, actually would have had to extend it. And then we would have had to line it up and found, it's right between 50 and 60, 55. So there's two ways. Make a model, use an equation. Something like this, normally I would tell you make a model. But for me, in this kind of problem, I would just use subtraction because it's a skill we know really well. Okay. Find the combined measure of the angle shown. Okay, remember this little box we know means 90 degrees. It's just how math symbols work. This means 90 degrees. One of the angles is 20. The symbol on the other angle shows that it is a right angle, therefore it's 90 degrees. To find the combined measure of the angle, add the angle measures of the parts. So 20 plus 30 equals the whole, and they're using A. And 20 plus 90 is 110. And use your little degree sign. So the combined measure of the angle is 110 degrees. And let's draw like a happy, like really big nosed, like clown kind of guy. He's got the like curly hair. Oh! That's the problem when you draw a clown. Even if you mean to try to draw it happy, it ends up looking really scary. You know how they always do those like dog balloon kind of things? They blow it up. Yeah. Anyways, I don't know why I thought of a clown, but I did. So maybe you can draw it better. I will see you in class to measure more angles.